Hey there guys, my name is Marcus and I welcome you in the Business Guide. In this video, I will guide you how you can easily form your own LLC in Iowa. So the first thing you want to do is when you're gonna scroll down below on this video, click on the link. That link will get you on Incfile. Incfile is an amazing company that is going to help us create our own company, your first or like second, third LLC. Now, why do I like Incfile? This is important. I believe that you should actually focus on managing the business, running the business, making the money, and also providing value to people. I, as a business owner, I completely outsource accounting, creation of the company, and all the administrative stuff is out. I focus on actually making the money. That's why I'm successful. That's why what I do works. But I many times see that people who are starting or they're doing everything. They want to create their own company by themselves. They want to, like, let's say, do the accounting by themselves through the way, FreshBooks, QuickBooks, whatever. And then they leave every day with, like, let's say you have 10 hours in a day. They leave like 2 hours of actually making the money. And then they are not successful. So Incfile is going to help us and smooth us the way to the finishing line to create the business for us. So start my business here. When you're gonna enter the website, then you want to choose LLC and state of formation. You want to find Iowa. Right here under Indiana. Click on that. And now you have option silver, gold, or platinum. You see that silver is pretty cheap, but it's limited. I'm going to talk to you about the packages and then we are going to continue. So with the silver, you see that you're going to have the preparing, filling the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year. Okay, you got it in every single plan. But with the gold version, you're going to have the business tax number, business tax consultation, unlimited phone and email support, operating agreement, also the banking resolution, online access dashboard. So literally everything what you need. And I would definitely recommend going with the gold one and choosing that only because I think it's going to make your life much easier and you can focus on making the money. And the platinum version, the biggest advantage I personally see are these three things that you see here: contract templates, expedited feeling that your company would be like, let's say, created faster, and domain name, business email. Now I'm going to choose the gold version here. So I will click gold. I will add a first name, a last name, and email address. Just do that too. Now I'm going to also add the number. Now I'll add a mailing address. So let's say this is going to be like this. Okay, Cedar Rapids, Iowa, and zip code. Now when you have it, press next. And when you fill everything, you have an option here to have a state filling time by 3 weeks or 5 business days. If you're gonna skip this, you will have option to go for platinum version if you choose the gold as I did, and you have option to choose there the platinum, or you can go with the state filling time by 5 business days right here. So that's completely up to you. Now I'll click next. When I'm here, we need to, in the company information, create our own company name. So let's say Bakery by Marcus. I'm going to add what is my company name called, Sunwe. And now I choose LLC, LLC, limited company. And now you see right here, this is how it will look like. So you create yours, edit here with designator. I'll just open the window. Now I'm going to choose number of owners. I'm myself, and business purpose. So provide a brief description of business purpose, marketing services for small business owners. And then industry keyword. So let's say it's going to be marketing consulting services. And now when we got it, I will go further company address information where I would have like street address, city, state, and I'm going to choose the one that we already had. I'm going to press next. And in a keyword, when you were creating, you had to add a keyword which is similar to your business. So that's what you do there. Then you have option to jump for the premium service package if you want to. And you're gonna have also option to have the business contract templates as terms of service, privacy policy, employment agreement. So definitely check these business contract templates if you need some of them. And if so, I would recommend going with the upgrade, and you would have also the domain name and business email address, which is pretty good. Now when I got it, I will click here get upgraded and bonus. Or no thanks, I will pass on this opportunity. Again, it's up to you. Then you have member one. If you're gonna have like multiple members, you will find it right here. You have company or individual. I'm going to choose individual here, myself. And then I'm again going to press next. And now Iowa requires an LLC to appoint a registered agent. Typical documents received by a registered agent can include. And this is something that I recommend definitely going with Incfile, only because it's going to be free for first year. And you're gonna have guarantee rates, all inclusive and reduced junk mail here. You can also read it right here about a registered agent. And when you got it, press just next. Now we have to add a tax identification number information. It's a 9-digit number that is assigned by the IRS and used to identify taxpayers. We will apply and obtain your number from the IRS electronically. This is really good. So I'll again add my name and SSN number. When I have it, I'm going to add my physical street address. Going to press next. Now, setting up the small business banking, you have option here to actually have your own bank account, and the Bank of America small business specialist would contact you. And again, you can choose it if you want to. Or no, not at this time. When you got it, press next again. And then you're gonna have the tax strategy free consultation. So what you will learn, how your LLC is taxed, how to choose the proper IRS tax election, how to reduce the self-employment taxes, a lot of important stuff. This is a huge thing, so I definitely recommend, yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation for free. Click on that, and when you will have it, just press next. Now you're gonna find that you have 2 licenses for your consulting business in Iowa. And then this is something that I also recommend, that they will send it to you. Don't solve it by yourself. Just give those $100 and you're good to go. They will send it to your address, and just add a street address, city here. So let's say I'm going to add again the same address that we added before. Iowa. Okay, and when you got it, you're gonna have the review order here, where you're gonna check all the information. And when you got also that, just press next here, and then billing information. And here you would add a street address, a card number, everything here. And when you're gonna do it, just click complete and pay, and then someone from Incfile is going to contact you. And they will contact you also with all the important stuff. And Incfile is really like good company that you can use. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can subscribe. Oh, my camera went off. And that's pretty much it. So thank you, have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.